Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about creating a website for your small business. In the digital age, having a website is crucial for any business, big or small. In this video, we will take you step by step through the process of creating a website for your small business. Hello and welcome once again. If you are a small business owner and looking to expand your digital presence, creating a website is going to be your first and most important step. In this video, we will walk you through the entire process of creating your website. From choosing a domain name to setting up your website, we have got you covered. Choosing a domain name. The domain name is the address where people can find your website online. It's important to choose a domain name that is catchy, easy to remember, and most importantly, relevant to your business. Your domain name is like your digital address, so make sure it's easy to remember and relevant to your business. Selecting a platform. Now that you have selected your domain name, it's time to choose a platform for building your website. WordPress is a very popular and easy-to-use platform for beginners. It offers thousands of templates, themes, and plugins that you can customize easily. In this video, we are going to use WordPress to build our website. Customizing your website. Once you have chosen a platform, it's time to customize your website. This is the most exciting part of the process, where you get to show off your creativity and make your website unique. Select a theme that reflects your brand and customize it according to your preferences. Remember to keep the design simple, easy to navigate and uncluttered. Adding content and pages. Now that your website has a design, it's time to add content and pages. Content is the component that delivers value to your visitors. Include high-quality photos, videos, and text on your website to showcase your business. Create pages like Home, About Us, Services, and Contact Us. Optimizing your website. Website optimization is crucial for higher rankings on search engines. Optimizing your website for search engines includes utilizing proper keywords, meta tags, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. This will help your website rank higher in search engines and also increase traffic to your site. And that's it. In this video, we have covered everything you need to know to create a website for your small business. Remember, your website is your digital storefront. Make it the best it can be. Thanks for watching. If you found this step-by-step website creation video helpful, please like, subscribe to the Thrifty Flex, and follow at Nievasop2 on Instagram for more small business tips. Like and follow for more web development and entrepreneurship videos.